Here's how to get started doing market research, RFIs, or full-blown RFPs in Olive. We can start projects from the Create Project button, either a blank project, which will start from scratch, or we can use the guided experience, and AI can help us get started. Firstly, we're going to look for the technology that we're trying to investigate. I'm going to select CRM. We can enter some project goals if we want to help train the AI and make sure it knows what we're talking about. So some might be better sales forecasting. For example, we can define our current state. We have some spreadsheets and on-premise CRM. System will then come up with some potential use cases for us around CRMs, so enhancing customer experience, data management, sales process tracking, lead generation. You can select a few of these. We can then define some potential features. These are very specific rather than the use cases. These will be things like lead tracking and scoring, and actually the how we achieve those with the CRM. So we can select some of these requirements. If we want more, we can simply hit recommend features and it will pull some more up. Finally, maybe we have some very specific must-haves, such as must integrate with Microsoft 365. It will then come up with some potential solutions for this particular RFI, RFP, or simply research. So we can select a few that we like the look of, and then we can hit Create Project. Once a project is created, we hit Launch Project, and we're into the evaluation. We'll see some basic stuff on the dashboard, top solutions, vendor engagement status. We have a project overview that's written just in case anybody that gets invited needs an overview. Here we can set timelines for the project. We can discuss either internally or with vendors in the discussion tab. It will have written some surveys that we can use to gather information from stakeholders, such as ratings of requirements or simply alignment on how we're going to operate. I'll also show you how to build surveys in another video. We'll have added some requirements in here. You'll see those under the different tabs. Add more sections as we go. And it will also have the solutions. Finally, you'll have on the comparison table them all compared to each other. If you want to quickly gather some insights ahead of time, you can hit the magic fill button, and that magic fill will actually go out and do the research for you. If we want to add some more requirements, you can come back to the Add Requirements tab. Maybe we want to add some security requirements. And we can either add them from scratch in here, such as must be GDPR compliant. We can add requirements from libraries. So, for example, in the CRM, we may have some questions in here around data. Let's add that to security. We can add requirements from AI. So we can put in the topic we're looking for. Maybe generate some more topics using the AI. Customer experience marketing, data analytics, absolutely. Hit generate requirements. This is going to then add some requirements into the project for us. Select the ones that are relevant. Hit confirm, and then we could choose a section that we want those requirements to be in. If we want anybody to collaborate on here, we can invite them through the Users tab. We can assign them to departments as well. And again, we can start building those surveys. Also, if we want to add more solutions, we can add them again using AI. Put in the topic of interest, and it will generate some more solutions for us. Alternatively, we can look for them within Olive or completely add our own and add that in there. Once we've done a few things, we can see that the magic fill has completed. We'll be able to actually see a quick pass of which solutions could solve our needs. For example, we've got some configurable integrations with Microsoft, some out of the box, and some we don't know about. So we'll give you a good idea before you've even had to invite vendors. But of course, if we want to dive deeper, we can go in and we can start actually inviting the vendors into the project, and they'll be able to collaborate from their opportunities on the left-hand side. I hope you enjoy using Olive and find the right solution for you. faster than ever before.